Hello and welcome to Speed Superbikes Limited. Here we have for you today a Triumph Daytona 600. It's a 2003, done just a little under 14,000 miles. Has only had 3 owners from new. It is a HPI clear. And if it hasn't been done already, it will come with an MOT. Good tyres on there. Does have some braided lines, good ridge lines on that. A few little scuffs down there on the fairing. Loads of tread down the rear tyre. It does also have the seat cowl fitted. Stuff on the bottom of the tank there. It's a bit of an unusual place, but it's there. I will fire it up for you in just a second. Please feel free to give us a call on 01392 211 246, or you can visit our website. It's www.speedthrills.co.uk. If you want to keep up to date with all our new bikes that are coming in stock, if you want to hit the like and subscribe button, it'd be much appreciated. Many thanks.